everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to finish up my little short project pan. I can't believe it's already time's up. That's crazy. This month is just going way too fast, or this year is going way too fast. Before you know it, guys, I'll be moving. So anyway, I was going to extend this another month, but I see no reason to. And I'll show you why. I think I'm missing a product. My brain, I just can't think of what it is. But I may not be missing a product. So we'll just go over what I got here. Okay, first of all, my Bath & Body Works Shimmer Mist in Maui is all gone. There's a drop that it's done. You know me, I am not one to use the very last drop. I'm all right with leaving a little bit of product in there. When I'm done, I'm done. I'm done. So I'm glad to get that one out. And one less thing I have to pack. Next, another thing that still has a little bit in it, but I'm done with it, is the Moly Green Tea Watery Essence. Now, I can't pump anything out. It's smeared up on the sides from me trying to dig around with that and get some out. I could probably get a little bit more out, but I'm done with it. I'm done. So I'm putting that in my empties. Gone. Next, I did it. Now, I used all this. I used up my Tarte face tape. It's empty, all done, all gone. So, yeah, this was a good foundation. I enjoyed this. Would I purchase it again? Probably not. Just because there's always new foundations coming out. And I'm someone who always wants to try something new. So, yeah, but I did enjoy it and I did use it all. Now, the last thing I have is this Purlisse Radiant Glow Illuminating BB Cream, SPF 30. There's still some in here. I'm thinking it's like down to here. So I've got a few more uses out of this, and I'm not going to give up on it yet. I'm going to use this up. So I will start mixing this with another foundation, but one item is not enough to do another check-in. You'll see this in my empties when I'm done with it. So let's call this little short project pan done. Do I want to do another project pan? I don't know. I might think about it. And if I do, I will let you know in about a week or so. I'll go around and look at products and things I need to use up. I might do another 3-month project pan. Might do that. But guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this series. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.